Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I wasn't gonna talk in this video, but then I thought about having to do a voiceover, and it sounds like a lot. Everybody's sleeping mostly, so that's why I didn't want to talk, but I'm gonna end up talking anyways. So if you guys see, I have a rash on my face. I did my mustache and it got broken out right here. Doesn't look that great. But yeah. So most of the time when I'm recording in the bathroom, it's hard to breathe in there, so I'm gasping for air. And years ago I would edit that out because I would think that's embarrassing, but I'm gonna leave it in because it's realistic. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to do this haircut. I don't remember the name of the person I saw do it, so I'm gonna look and hopefully link them down below. It's like a wolf cut, but I'm basically following their video. Hopefully I can find who they are. But yeah, if you guys are new here, my name is Emily and I post about any and everything. So, and if you're not new, welcome back. It's been a minute, so I look like crap, so I'm not really feeling like being talkative. In my last video, I chopped my hair. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I combed it out pretty quickly, and that's why I wanted to do the cut, is because I was over having long hair and tangled and all that, and look how fast it was just to comb it out for that. Literally, I'll leave the real time in if I don't look crazy. But yeah, let's get into the video. I just don't like this boxy look. I want to make it more, if you guys know what I mean. So yeah, let's get into it. Comb all her hair up. I'm gonna do it like this. And then she ties it right here. Did she tie it all the way up here? Yeah. So this is what we're working with. It's hot as heck in here. And then she combed this down. I actually did do the same haircut, but I think I did this way. We're gonna be doing it this way. So let's see if it does a difference. So she does it downwards. This is like this. And she cut, I don't know how much she cut, I can't remember. This is the back. This is gonna be all the way at the bottom in the back, and all this is in the middle and front, I believe. So I guess I'm just going to cut this much first, then open it, reassess. Now I'm gonna open it and see if we see a difference. Okay, I see more layers in the front. No layers in the back here. So what I'm suspecting is that this is only the front that you're cutting, really, like this half. So I don't know, what do I do in order to make it back here? Because a lot of people I know, they're, you know, they get pieces all up here. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong, because I feel like I only get layers always going this way and never back here. This is where I want my layers, so it could be, you know, more volume, like so maybe what I'm gonna do is gonna leave this out in the front. Let me see if the length is still there. Yeah, the length is still there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this piece out, comb all this up forward, and then cut it again. Wish me luck. Improvising at this point. Hopefully this mess will help. It's cut maybe this much. Because I'm not gonna leave that there. I gotta pick it up before all of it falls down. Okay, so let's see what happens here. You see, I gave more beach. That's what I'm talking about. So I think I'm gonna go shorter because now we know what I'm doing. 1 o'clock in the morning. Why is it always bad decisions at this time? Okay, let's see. It's better. The length is still there. I don't know if I'm gonna cut more than, because I didn't point cut. The front is really like blunt. I'm gonna hold it and point cut. Okay. Still kind of looks like I didn't do much, but I'm gonna blow out my hair when I'm all done to see it loose and cut it to my chin. This much. And then I'm gonna I think I'm done for now. When everything's completed and my hair's done, I'll insert videos, pictures. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Every time he leave me alone, he always tell me he miss it. He wanna